Oh yeah. Didn't expect to be so juicy.
Should we take this part off?
That one is going to go to all of them.
I know I have to close my eyes. That's a guilty pleasure though. Okay, here comes to the fun part. You happy with somebody?
Yeah, that's me. Yeah.
What's that in your head?
I'm a pacifist. That's my soccer ball.
That's the extra coating, so it's crispier.
Crispy, juicy, has a lot of flavor. Let me try with some.
It was marinated overnight.
Awesome. This is original.
That's the original.
Again, it's very juicy.
It smells so good. So this is the secret recipe from Kingchops. I learned this recipe years ago. We had this before.
Yes, I remember. This is really a treat. It's like a 5-star restaurant. Look at this. Wow. Awesome.